Prep 2. Now we will continue our curriculum. Unit 3, first lesson, fossils. Okay. Fossils are traces and remains of an old living organism preserved in sedimentary rocks. Mostly they are found in sedimentary rocks. What's meant by traces or remains? Traces, they indicate the activity of an old living organism. Something that tells us the activity of an old living organism. Remains is a part of the old living organism. Part of it. Its skull, its leg, bone, whatever. When we get a part, it's remain. When we get something that represents the activity, it's trace. Okay? For example, dinosaur's footprint is a trace. Worm's tunnel is a trace. Dinosaur's skull is a part, so it's a remain. Shark's tooth is remain. Okay? Test your mind. Dinosaur's skull, trace or remain? It's remain. Dinosaur's footprint, its activity, walking, so it's trace. Worm's tunnel, the place through which worms moved, it's a trace. And shark tooth, it's remain. Okay? Types of fossils. The first type is complete body fossil. Complete body means that we got the whole living organism without any decomposition. Fossils that are formed due to fast burying of animals in a suitable medium, not any medium, suitable medium. Why? To keep them away from decomposition, from being analyzed. Like mammoth fossil, it's complete body, no decomposition, skin, hair, the whole body, so it's a complete body fossil. And amber fossil, insects in amber. Okay? The first one, mammoth, it's found in snow. Insects are found in amber. Preserved in snow, and it's found in Siberia 25,000 years ago. Okay? Preserved in amber, and the amber means a resinous substance, liquid substance, it's a sticky substance, resinous substance secreted by pine trees. Mold fossils and cast fossils. So we finished the first type, which is complete body fossil. Now we will talk about mold fossils and cast fossils. What is the difference? Mold fossils, replica of the internal details of an old living organism. Again, mold fossil, replica of the internal details of an old living organism. Like ammonite fossil, for example, like this. This part is formed inside the shell of an ammonite snail. Nummullite fossil, like this. And the trilobite fossil, like this. Okay? Cast fossils, replica of the external details of an old living organism. Like what? Like fern cast, just replica. Number 4, petrified fossils. Petrified fossils, fossils in which the organic matter, the matter that forms the body of living organisms, the organic matter like the flesh, like bones, like fats, is replaced with minerals. They change into mineral shape which look like stone or rock. Okay? Like this, dinosaur's egg, like dinosaur's tooth, and petrified wood. Okay? What's meant by petrification process? Replacing the organic matter with minerals. To form what? To form petrified fossils. So, in this fossil, petrification process occurred, and then the petrified fossil is formed. Petrification means replacing the organic matter with minerals to change the living organism from an organic matter into something looks like rock or stone. The importance of fossils. Number 1, determining the age of sedimentary rocks by index fossils. What's meant by index fossils? Fossils that lived for a short period of time and then became extinct. So their age will be equal to the age of the sedimentary rock. By knowing the age of the index fossils, we can determine the age of the rock that they were found in. Number 2, figuring out paleo environment. Nummullite fossils, fern fossils, coral fossils. When we find nummullite fossils in a place, we indicate that this place was a sea or ocean. For example, nummullite fossil like this was found in Al-Muqattam region, and it indicates that Al-Muqattam region was a sea floor since 35 million years ago. It was a sea floor, okay? Fern fossils indicate that the weather is hot, tropical, rainy weather. And coral fossils indicate that the weather was clear, warm, shallow seas. Point number 3, studying the life evolution. Some scientists postulated that life started in sea before on land. All the living organisms were in the sea first, then on the land, okay? Which means the evolution from the sea to the land. For example, in plants, algae precedes, came before, mosses and ferns. Another example, in plants, gymnosperm seeds without any cover, plants that form seeds without cover. Gymnosperms were found before angiosperms. Gymnosperms were found before angiosperms. In animals, invertebrates, they have no bones inside their body. The living organisms that have no bones, like insects, for example, like shrimp, okay, precedes fish, that precedes amphibians, that precede reptiles, and then mammals and birds. There is something that links between reptiles and birds, which is called Archaeopteryx. So when I ask you, complete Archaeopteryx, links between reptiles and birds. Number 4, petroleum exploration by microfossils, which are called radiolaria and the foraminifera. Give reason. Radiolaria and the foraminifera are very important microfossils because they help us to discover the site of petrols. Thank you for watching. This is the end of our lesson, fossils. Okay, I hope you understood it. Thank you.